Okay, here we are at the number 2 website, eReaderIQ. And by the way, you might be curious, what's the draw? What's the logic of having free Kindle books in the first place? Well, if you're an author with a good book and you give away copies of that book, you're going to sell many more books because that freebie is going to introduce you to a lot of readers who never would have found you. Same thing with discounts. And so if you're curious about that, it's great marketing. It's free samples. It's been around here for 100 years. So here we are at eReaderIQ, and this is the polar opposite of Kindle Buffet. And what do I mean by that? Kindle Buffet is a hand-picked list. It's like top 40 radio. It's stuff that's going to appeal to a wide range of people. It's a hand-picked, specialized list. And this one, eReaderIQ, is the exact opposite. It's a data dump. It's got every book there is, whether they have 1 star or 5 stars. And so you can filter this by discounts, price drops, books under $1, freebies. And then if you go down through the list of freebies, you can sort that by most recent freebies, which will turn up books in the last 1, 2, 3 days. Those with the best reviews, the most reviews, or the percentage of good reviews. And so why do I recommend eReaderIQ? Well, if you're a fan of science fiction, bad science fiction perhaps, you'll find something on here that you won't find on Kindle Buffet. You might be able to find some erotica that you wouldn't find on Kindle Buffet because I tend to feature mainstream books, nothing really hardcore, explicit erotica. I don't use that. You could find it here on eReaderIQ. There's also a section for, in addition to the USA site, Canadian site, England site, and so it's got some tools over here, genre selection tools, tools to notify you when certain books reach a certain price. So this is really good resource that you want to keep in mind.